Holito Chamawengapa. So you may be wondering, after my recent community post uh, about eating grass, if you know that water produces hydrogen in the body, and you know that eating vegetables produces hydrogen in the body, and it stimulates energy metabolism in mice and improves their obesity and diabetes, why not eat vegetables and drink water? Why not eat grass? If it improves mice, it should improve humans, right? So I just ate some grass and like I felt like completely rejuvenated. Like my breathing got better. Like the mucus in my nasal passages, it removed. It completely cleared out. My breath control got better. Um, the I'm eating grass and like the grass is still, it has to still be alive when I pluck it out the ground. Couldn't be no more than 1 second after I pluck it out the ground and eat it. Like so, let's be serious about scientific studies, and like we obviously have to try to get slim one way or another if we want to be thriving people as far as like in nature. You know what I mean? Like we don't want to be couch sitters. We don't want to be we want to be out in nature enjoying life. So like yeah, I would say, again, I would say eat grass, I would say drink water, I would say eat vegetables, and I would say quit eating all that other stuff. I know it's hard to do that cuz like it's hard for me to do that. But this is interesting. Um I didn't know I was going to feel so stimulated after I did that, and like it almost felt like, it only took like one strand. It wasn't like three, four, five, six strands. It was just one strand, one little pick of a grass. Um, man, I don't know what to say, man. Wow. It's like, why are we going to vegetable markets when we have like food supply in our backyards? Um, man, I can go on all day about this, but this is a newfound one. This is definitely a newfound one. I'm gonna try to, like, I'll say the next time that I have to go to the grocery store, because right now I just have like dates and peanuts. I'm going to try to get more tomatoes and more arugula, you know, to supplement if I do need to get some grass out the backyard. You know what I mean? Because like I want to do more research into like eating grass, whether or not it has to be cleansed or not, like when to eat it, when's the next time to best time to harvest it, all of that good stuff. So yeah, I'm learning some stuff right now, man. I'm learning some stuff. Uh, so again, you have water produces hydrogen. Um, Eating a lot of green foods produces a lot of hydrogen. That's the white stuff around your mouth. Like, you know how you go into a state of panic and then your mouth gets very cotton, like cotton mouth, like very dry. Well, that's what this is really. It's your body removing fat. You know what I mean? Like, you notice how a lot of slim people, they always have like white stuff around their mouth. That's because their body is producing a lot of hydrogen. You know what I mean? Like, they're in shape. So this is interesting. Yeah, I definitely want to drink more water and start doing more studies on grass. Man, I never felt that like pull. I never felt that like, it almost felt like I was smoking marijuana. Like that's how rejuvenated I felt after I went into relax mode. Like after I just ate the grass, like I just felt relaxed. I don't even want to say it was a placebo effect. It just like rejuvenated me. It made me feel like very, like I don't know, man. It just made me feel very great. I don't know. I do not know. It just made me feel great. But this is a clinical trial on mice. So if it improves mice, it definitely has to improve humans. It's like you look at cows, like all they eat is grass. You know what I mean? Like, and it never bothers them to say, well, humans need to stop eating us. Like, we need to start attacking humans because they keep slaughtering us. It never comes in the cow's mind to say or do anything like that. They just know that they eat grass. From the time that they're born to the time that they die, they just know they have to eat grass. So here's the abstract view of everything that's talked about in this article right here. So this would be a good read to study. But yeah, I don't know what made me pull this article up, but I don't know. Cause like even when you go into the grocery stores to like these days, and you get like a vegetable or something like that, and you bring it home and you eat it, it don't do anything for you because it's been disconnected from its roots for so long. You know what I mean? Like I'm gonna start saying like if the vegetable doesn't have its roots connected to it, it's probably something you shouldn't be eating. You know how you can go to like a vegetable market and get like radish, and it still be connected to its root, and you can go home and plant it. You know what I mean? Like that's the stuff that we gotta look at because like I'll be looking like why am I eating this and like I'm not feeling the effects of what I should feel. Like I'm actually feeling worse. So foods have to have its roots, man. I don't know why they do this at supermarkets, why they only get food that is disconnected from its roots. I don't know why they do that. Like that's weird to me. I do not know why they do that, but I felt rejuvenated after I ate it though. So, and then I knew like my body was trying to remove fat when my mouth got a little cotton dry. So I knew something was different right there. So yeah, save your grass, harvest your grass. You never know. You might have to chop the grass down and put it in some freezer bags and put it in the freezer or something like that. Who you never know. But like even I wouldn't go that far to do that because it's weird because it's like if it's disconnected from its root, maybe you need to eat it right then and there. You know what I mean? Because like you're always gonna have plenty of grass when it's fresh. Like you're always gonna have fresh grass. Like even during the fall and winter sometimes. Maybe during the winter, like you just only see mud and like you need to be careful how you walk on the surface because you may destroy the roots for the next harvest. So like I don't know, like it depends on like what kind of winter you get, but you can go a winter without, eating what you need to eat. Like, like winter is only like what? December, January, February, and March, like 4 months. So that's not even long. Maybe you just need to like leave and go down south, maybe. You know what I mean? Because I'm thinking like if you can just eat fruit and vegetables off a root or just like grass off a root, like man, like like seriously, maybe you just need to leave, like do migrational patterns like we used to do, like go from the north to the south during the winter, then during the summer go from the south to the north. You just never know, man. But that's all I want to say in this video. Um, Grass gives you energy. Grass, it cleans your cells. It does a lot of effects to your body along with water. So great peace, Yakoki.